Welcome back to STYFLYSTUDIO, your skyscrapers channel. Today video is about Pavilion Damansara Heights, February 2022 updates. Please leave a comment and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like notification bell for new video upload. Thank you for watching. Sited right in the center of Malaysia's most prestigious address, Pavilion Damansara Heights is set to be the new heartbeat in this affluent neighborhood. The 16 acres freehold integrated development comprising luxury residences, corporate offices and lifestyle mall is a masterpiece in the making, transforming the Kuala Lumpur skyline. Pavilion Damansara Heights is a freehold mixed development located at Jalan Damansara Heights, Kuala Lumpur. It is connected to the Pavilion Damansara Heights MRT station. The latest phase of luxury residential apartments is known as Windsor Suites and it comprises of 568 units. This tower will be 57 stories high. Damansara Heights is easily accessible from Kuala Lumpur and Petaling Jaya. From the north to south expressway, Jalan Semantan and Jalan Duda can be used for a drive into Damansara Heights. Apart from that, a road such as Jalan Maravin Bangsar is connected to Jalan Damansara. The Pavilion Damansara Heights project, which sits on 6.5 hectares of prime freehold land, comprises 10 corporate towers, 5 residential towers and a retail mall, which has a GDV of Rm 9 billion. The project is expected to be completed in stages by 2022. The much anticipated Pavilion Damansara Heights Mall. The mall is expected to offer contemporary retail, dining, entertainment, edutainment, music, culture and leisure concepts. The mall is an improved version of the existing Pavilion Kuala Lumpur Mall with an added 500 meters gastronomic gourmet boulevard. Impian Express C. Sendirian Berhad will undertake a mixed integrated development and redevelopment project over 9.5 acres for Phase 1 plus 6.34 acres for Phase 2. Total of 15.84 acres of land at Pusat Bandar Damansara. In September 2018, WCT was awarded a contract by Impian Express C. Sendirian Berhad for the construction and completion of Parcel 1. In March 2020, WCT was awarded a contract by Jendela Mayong Sendirian Berhad for the superstructure works of Parcel 2, total of Rm 2.97 billion contract. Damansara Heights, also known as Bukit Damansara, is a suburb located in the western side of Kuala Lumpur. It is a popular residential and commercial location in Klang Valley for Malaysia. That's all for now guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment in order for me to improve. Thank you again for your time and support. Please spread love to our life and please keep social distancing guys, COVID-19 still out there. Bye from STYFLY Malaysia.